When it comes to choosing the right windows for your home, local weather plays a significant role in making the best decision. For homeowners in Orangeburg, Awning Windows stand out as a perfect choice, combining durability, functionality, and aesthetics. Orangeburg's climate, which includes hot summers, rainy seasons, and occasional storms, demands windows that are versatile, energy efficient, and weather resistant. Here's why awning windows are the ideal fit for Orangeburg's unique weather conditions. Superior ventilation even during rainy weather. Orangeburg is no stranger to occasional rain showers and humid conditions. Awning windows are designed with a top-hinged opening mechanism that allows them to open outward. This design creates a slanted angle when open, acting like a shield against rain. This means you can enjoy fresh air and natural ventilation without worrying about water entering your home. Whether it's a light drizzle or a more consistent rain, awning windows provide excellent airflow, helping to reduce indoor humidity levels, a common challenge in Orangeburg's climate. Energy efficiency for hot summer. Orangeburg's summers can be sweltering, leading to increased reliance on air conditioning. Awning windows are known for their energy-efficient properties, especially when paired with energy-saving glass options like low-E or double-pane glass. These features help block UV rays and reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during hot days. Additionally, the ability to open these windows slightly without compromising security ensures that you can enjoy natural ventilation during cooler evenings, reducing the need for mechanical cooling and lowering your energy bills. Exceptional weather-resistant storms and strong winds are not uncommon in Orangeburg, and homeowners need windows that can withstand the elements. Awning windows are built to be robust and resilient. Their design ensures a tight seal when closed, protecting your home from drafts, leaks, and moisture intrusion. This makes them an excellent choice for Orangeburg, where unpredictable weather patterns can challenge the durability of standard windows. High-quality awning windows, especially those made from materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, are resistant to warping, rust, and corrosion. This ensures that your windows will maintain their functionality and appearance for years, even in Orangeburg's humid and storm-prone environment. Easy maintenance for busy homeowners. The weather in Orangeburg often brings dust, pollen, and rain, which can leave windows looking grimy. Awning windows are easy to clean and maintain due to their outward opening mechanism. The exterior of the window can often be cleaned from inside your home, making upkeep convenient and safe, especially for multi-story houses. Regular cleaning helps maintain clear views and ensures your windows continue to function properly, even in the face of Orangeburg's weather challenges. Enhanced security for peace of mind. While Orangeburg is known for its welcoming community, security is always a priority for homeowners. Awning windows provide excellent security due to their small opening angles and ability to remain secure even when slightly ajar. Many modern awning windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that prevent forced entry, offering peace of mind without sacrificing ventilation. This is particularly useful during Orangeburg's mild spring and fall seasons when you want to keep your home ventilated but secure. Aesthetic appeal that complements Orangeburg homes. Beyond their functional benefits, awning windows bring timeless style to Orangeburg homes. Their clean lines and versatile design make them suitable for both traditional and modern architectural styles commonly found in the area. Whether paired with larger fixed windows or used alone, awning windows add character and curb appeal to your home, making them an attractive choice for homeowners who value both form and function. Perfect for small or hard-to-reach spaces, awning windows are ideal for areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, spaces that benefit from ventilation but require privacy or space-saving designs. Given Orangeburg's humid summers, bathrooms and kitchens often need proper airflow to prevent moisture buildup and improve air quality. Awning windows excel in these settings, making them a practical and stylish solution for your home's specific needs. Conclusion. For Orangeburg homeowners, choosing windows that cater to the local weather is essential. Awning windows are the perfect fit for the area's climate, offering superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and weather resistance. Their low-maintenance design, enhanced security features, and aesthetic versatility make them a smart investment for any home. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or building a new home, awning windows provide the perfect balance of functionality and style to keep your home comfortable, secure, and beautiful year-round.